Hello everyone, welcome back to Kolkati Beauty. So guys, today we are going to be making face mask that will tighten your skin, make your skin smooth, and also remove blackheads and stuff like that. So we are making use of 3 ingredients, just 3. Yes, these 3 should have it in your home. The first ingredient is our toilet roll, our charcoal. The last ingredient is the egg. So first of all, you're going to break your egg. We are making use of just the whites, okay, the egg whites. You're not making use of the yolk. So this is what we have now, the egg whites. So for the charcoal, we need it in a powdered form. In case you don't have the powdered form, all you have to do is like pound it, just like you see me doing in the video. I'm pounding it to get the powdered form so that we'll be able to mix it with the egg to make the mask. So please, while you're watching my video, kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So I'm going to add 3 spoons of the charcoal powder into the plate, as you can see in the video. Then after that, I'm just going to turn the egg white into the charcoal plate, then mix both of them thoroughly, mix both of them together. They should mix very well because you're applying it to your face, so mix it very well as seen in the video. So to apply the ingredients, so this is my brush, just going to mix it, and then your tissue. So guys, I'm just going to be putting the tissue like that and then apply the mask. Repeat the same thing to other parts of your face until you are done. So we just have to wait for it to dry. So guys, after waiting for it to dry, you have to peel off the mask just like I'm doing in the video, and you will have to take it easy, like gently, because the mask is pulling out some things from your skin. You're going to feel some slight pain, so you have to endure it and peel it off just like I'm doing in the video. So this remaining now, I'm just going to wash it off, okay, with this warm water. So first of all, I'm going to this black soap. I'm using black soap to wash it. This is how my face is, super smooth. Good. You should try it too.